What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode. So this is the coolest packaging that I've ever seen. It literally came like this with a little bag. Yeah, from Amazon right here. It came like this. So if you're looking at this, you already know what it is. It is a Divoom. That's how you pronounce it. It's one of those pixel display type of gadget, I guess. But on top of that, this one has a Bluetooth speaker in there. And so I really love the whole pixel art kind of stuff. So I actually bought this one and a few other ones. And I just want to like deck it out back there. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I love it. So I want to go ahead and unbox it and see what it's all about. This is like all the rage on the internet. I can tell you that right now. But yeah, the fact that it comes with this cool little bag, I don't know what to say. I mean, this is literally my first Divoom products that I bought. Very well packaged, I would say. This thing is very loud. Wow, it looks like a refrigerator right here. Look at this. The packaging alone, it must have cost them quite a bit of money. This is just incredible. Wow. Okay, so you open up this fridge look-alike, and oh, the unboxing experience of this thing. How can you not love it? How can you not love it? Yeah, so nice. All right, let's remove this. Okay, so first thing first. Wow, this thing, it just looks incredible. They went through great length to make sure that, you know, this thing stay in pristine condition. I can already see it. You know, they have some extra just protection over here. I'm just so impressed at the way they've done this. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm almost afraid to touch it because I don't want to put my fingerprint on it. Just look how beautiful this thing is. And I haven't even turned it on yet. Okay, so this thing comes with a USB-C, all right, port, and then you can add a card slot in there. I'm not sure what the card slot is yet, but I will find out. And then there's a power on and off button right here. But look at the buttons and the little controls right here. What is this? I know this gotta work. Does this not work? Oh no, it's not. You don't pull it up and down. I thought you pull it up and down, but it's like a little shift knob. What? Oh, and then it has the whole blue switch keyboard clicky. Yeah, it's a blue switch keyboard clicky. Oh. Okay, I'm sorry, but this is over the top. This is over the top. When I first saw this, I'm like, is it really worth the money? And now that I'm unboxing it, the experience alone is well worth the money. But then now let's go ahead and like plug it in and see what it can really do. That's the next thing right there. So let me go ahead and use a USB-C to plug it in. I actually don't know if inside here there's USB-C and stuff like that. Yeah, there is. So let's go ahead and take that out. Actually, look at this, guys. Look at this. They gave you a nice booklet, and then there's obviously some nice stickers to it as well. Wow, these guys' aesthetic is over the top right here. So the one thing that I regret to inform you is that I did not get a USB cable. Oh wait, it was stuck underneath here. Oh, right here. It does come with a USB-C cable, guys. Forget what I just said. Yeah, USB-C cable, and look at this USB-C cable, okay? I'm sorry, but over the top, once again. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is braided USB-C cable. It's the kind of cable that comes with your high-end gaming mouse. Yeah, they know their audience. That's for sure. This is beautiful, down to the cables. I'm going to say it right now. This is probably one of the best unboxing experience that I have ever done. Okay, so let's just talk about the box real quick. Okay, let's go back to this box. Okay, so when it closes, it looks great, right? And you press this right here. It's not really a button. It's just pressing the little plastic down so that you can open it up. It feels really nice right here too, by the way. This little nice rubber right here. Anyway, I don't know. I'm just still amazed by this. Okay, so I've plugged it in. Let's go ahead and press the button to turn it on, maybe. Okay, so when I press the button, it tells me the battery level on this thing. So let's hold the button then. Oh. What? That speaker is amazing. The bass on this thing. Okay, look. Wow, this thing is just beautiful. So not sure if you notice or not, but I'm going to show you this anyway. So right now what I notice is that you see the keys actually glows, guys. This is off the chart cool. This is off the chart cool. Oh my gosh. You see see right there? It's glowing. I mean, I have too many lighting in here, but I bet you anything if I turn that thing off, it would look super cool. So let me go ahead and grab this Bluetooth and connect this thing. So I press menu, and then I can flip through all of the cool things that they have. Okay, all right. Anyway, let's connect this. So I found it. It's Ditoo plus audio. I click on that and oh, it just made a little noise. First thing first, let's go ahead and see if I can play a song. It's displaying the song name on here. So the treble part is up here, the speaker part. Wait, let me pause because guys, this speaker, the bass on this thing, this is like a subwoofer right here, and it is incredible. It sounds so good back there. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm so amazed by this thing. I want to download the app to see if I can change up some of this panel right here. You see that? Yeah, I want to change it up. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay guys, so I have downloaded the app, registered with them and everything. So I'm set up. Now let's go ahead and see if I can select which device I have. Let me see here. So right now it's asking me to update the firmware on this thing. So that's what I did. I just click on updating. Let's go ahead and do that. I recommend you guys doing that as well. But look at this. It has a little animation to say that, hey, it's downloading stuff. Pretty cool. Okay, so this thing's finally updated. And it took probably like 10 minutes for it to update, download and update. It was a big pack. Not sure what it updated, but here it is right here. It is ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's see if I can, oh wow, that's pretty fast. Literally, I clicked on this right here and it's changing as soon as I swipe it. Look at this. Look, I mean, as soon as I swipe, it changes it. Wow, and guys, all of this are from the community. You know, just like Instagram. Imagine you scrolling through Instagram and this is what you see right here. I swipe and it just loads. Swipe and it loads. That's amazing. Oh, this is so cool. That is so cool. Yeah, so that's how easy it is. You just literally look at anything and you just, I don't even have to say apply. I tap on it and it shows it on there. So cool. Okay, so there is a section called Expert. I'm not sure what that means, but I guess it shows you all the creators of these animated GIFs. And so there's this one creator right here that has a pretty cool, I guess, pack right here. Look at this. April O'Neil, right? That's just amazing. And here's one of my favorite, Street Fighter. Look at that. This is what's on my phone, and this is what's on the screen right there. 16 by 16 pixel. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. So yeah, so that's the little graphic right there. I'm gonna leave it at, let's see, you know what? I'm gonna find a good one. So I'm gonna leave it at this one. This is probably one of the coolest one. If you know, you know, guys. Street Fighter Fireball. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that one right there. And then at the same time, I'm gonna go ahead and play some music on here. Let's see. So, volume. Let's see here. Press this button. I have to play around with this some more, but so far so good, guys. This stuff is fantastic. There's an Arkanoid game in here. Look at this. There's an Arkanoid game in here. Let me see if I can play like this. Oh my God. There's some cool mini games in here. What? That's just, oh my gosh. Yeah, this is gonna be a lot of, there's just so much in this little thing, guys. I mean, I literally just got it for the aesthetic, but discovering so much more from this, that just blows my mind. Yeah, definitely worth the money in my opinion. I'm gonna have to try out some of the other products as well, just to see how cool it is. But this one right here is already over the top. It's a must-have gift. So I'm gonna have to look into getting more of these so that I can give some out to Christmas, because this is one of the coolest gadgets ever. Anyway, that's it for me. I am out of here. Have a good one. Bye-bye.